How to draw a Roblox Adopt Me pet dragon, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a small circle towards the top center of the page. This will be the outline of the first die that we draw. Now on the inside of what we just made, we're going to draw a second circle that is even smaller. Nice! That eye almost looks similar to an olive. Next, slightly above and to the right, we're going to draw the first horn of our dragon. This will come to a small point. Now from this point, we're going to want to draw the outline of the front of the face by drawing a big curvy line that will go in front of the eye and connect to the horn that we just drew together. Now on the point where we first started to draw that curvy line, we're going to draw a second curvy line attached to the starting point that will be the outline of the mouth. Nice! So far we have the first horn drawn, the first eye, along with the outline of the top of the head. So now let's go ahead and draw one tooth that will be connected to the line that we just made for the mouth. The tooth that we draw will come to a sharp point. It will almost look similar to a V. So our Adopt Me pet dragon will actually have two eyes showing, so we're going to go ahead and draw the second eye over on the left hand side of that line that we drew for the front of the face. This will not have a smaller circle on the inside, just because of how our dragon is facing us. So similar to how we had to draw a second eye, we'll also want to draw a second horn. So let's go right to the left of the first one that we drew, and draw a second horn attached to that line as well. Fantastic, so far we're making great progress. Now right above that first eye that we made together, let's go ahead and draw a small curved line right above for a little eyebrow. So as of right now, we have most of the head drawn, but we want to close off that big open space. So we're going to draw a big curved line that will connect from the mouth all the way over to the horn on the right hand side. Awesome! Now that we have that part of the head connected, we can now continue to draw the rest of the body. So for the next step, we're going to draw the first wing, which will be attached to the head. This part might be a little bit tricky and difficult to explain, so be sure to pause the video if you have any issues. So we will begin here by drawing this simple line on the top of the wing. In the center of this line, we're going to have a sharp point right here in the center. So now we're going to want to draw three pieces that will help separate the colors and parts of our wing. So now let's go ahead and draw the first piece right next to the line that we just drew. Now a little to the left, we're going to draw the same shape and connect the two shapes that we just made by using a small curved line. From here, let's connect these two shapes by using a small curved line. And we still have to make one more shape, so let's go to the left hand side of the one that we previously made and draw the last shape. And we're going to connect these two shapes by using a small curved line as well. Now we're going to make one more shape, but this won't be similar to the one that we previously made. This is going to be a smaller area where it will help separate the colors. This area will not be as skinny. Well done. Now I'm going to go ahead and close off a couple small openings on the inside of the wing. And don't forget that at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. And once we're all done closing off those spaces, we're going to want to draw the lower body of our dragon. So let's go ahead and draw a big curved line that will connect from the head all the way over to the wing that we just made. On the inside of the lower body, we're going to draw a curved line to help separate the colors, similar to how we separated the colors for the wings. Now attached to the lower body, we're going to want to draw 4 feet for our dragon. Not all feet will be connected, however 1 foot will be connected to the body. This will be the first one that we draw. Now we're almost done. All we have left to do is to draw one more wing right above the first one. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. This is how to draw a Roblox Adopt Me Pet Dragon. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe. Also, be sure to check out our Roblox drawing tutorial playlist, which I'll put a link to down in the description below. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.